Today is Sunday and I've completed 1 week in Goa. Today is the 8th day. It seems like a rainy day and it's definitely going to be a lazy day. I'm just going to relax, not do much and chill. And but I have to do one thing right away, which I do every day, is that okay, there is another phenomena what happens in my house, in this house. So here on the floor, you can see a lot of dead insects. There's some sort of flies. It's everywhere. I don't know what fly they are, but I can't zoom because GoPro is literally shit in zooming. So yeah, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. I don't want to stamp on them, so I'm just not going far. But if you see, and this happens every day. It's not a one-off instance or incident. Every day morning, these people die. I don't know who does it, but they do, and I have to clean it every day. Done brooming the entire house. Everything looks clean, though not sparkly. And I have bought chicken yesterday, so we'll be making chicken. I'm watching this documentary by Mira Nair called India Cabaret. It's a 1985 movie. The documentary is about Indian cabaret dancers back then. Now, cabaret is basically I don't know the exact definition, but it's like women putting on a sensual performance for the male customers or the male viewers. So it's about their life, why, how, and all those. So I found it interesting. I want to see how the movie goes.
No, we can't do it anything else. What can we do? If we'll go in the offices, we'll get 200, 300 like that.
पूरा दिन घर का काम संभालने का, रात को इसका इंतजार करने का, बस शादी किया तो इंतजार करना ही पड़ेगा। बहुत आदमी हमको चूतिया बनाया, मिलने का तय, तुमको प्यार करेगा, शादी करेगा, वो करेगा, तुमको बिल्डिंग बनाएगा, तुमको फूल में रखे पूजा करेगा, तुम मेरे देवी, ऐसा बोले। फिर बाद में एक दिन मिला, दूसरे दिन हो गया तुम्हारा काम, तुम जाओ। ऐसा 4-5 आदमी हमको टैक्स दी। 2 आदमी को रेडी करके रखा। शादी किया एक को लात मारेगा, एक को शादी करेगा। एक दुनिया में अच्छा करेगा तो जगह नहीं मिलेगा, सबको लात मारने का, उसको जगह मिलेगा।
અને આપણા હિન્દુ સમાજમાં તો એવું છે ને, છોકરીના ઘરનું તો આપણને કઈ કામ ન લાગે, છોકરીના ઘરનું તો પાણી બી ન પીએ આપણે।
આગળ જતા પણ ઘરમાં હવે મને રસ નથી, એમ બહુ કંટાળો આવી જાય ને, આપણે સંભાળીને કે આ લોકોના જ બધાનું અરમાન પૂરા કરવાના, આપણા અરમાન કાંઈ જ નહીં, આપણા જે અરમાનો એ બધા રહી ગયા આની અંદર જ।
सोसाइटी के अंदर ये बोलेगा, दुनिया बोलते हैं भूख लगते हमको, सोसाइटी आके हमको खाना देते। कितना पैसा कमाया तो हमको सुख नहीं, उधर भी सुख नहीं, इधर भी सुख नहीं, हैदराबाद में सुख नहीं, इधर भी सुख नहीं।
सुहानी रात ढल चुकी, ना जाने तुम कब आओगे।
I just finished watching the documentary. It's an interesting one, directed by Mira Nair. So you can see the rawness of the documentary. And it was shot in 1985, which is 40 years ago. So you get a glimpse of how people were 40 years ago, how they looked, what they wore, how they spoke, what their ideas were, their thoughts were, and how society used to think. And there's no much difference about how the society thought back then and how the society thinks right now. There are a few changes, yes, but mota moti, I think we are still the same society. If I have to share my personal experience, I started dating like 17, 18 years ago. Yeah, I'm old. And the kind of girl I wanted was who wears Indian dresses, doesn't wear makeup, doesn't talk to boys, was not having any relationship before,
this was my idea of who I wanted. Now, I was not born with this idea. This idea which I had in mind is not mine. It's given by the world. So it is designed by the world around me. So that was my thought. But maybe life wanted to teach me something different, or my rebellious nature wanted to sort of get out of this mold. And hence I dated a few girls, I had few relationships. I've been with girls who drank, smoked, did drugs, had casual sex, had multiple partners, had male friends, wore what they wanted. Having experienced all of this, what matters is their core, like how that human is. He or she might have done a lot of things which you don't connect with or align with. A lot of things could have happened which you don't agree with or you don't like, whatever it is. But in the end, if in the core they are a good human being, then I think you're sorted. Then maybe you can overlook all those things and reflect and focus on the core and just move ahead. It can be a good connection. With me, I used to feel I'm open, but I'm not. I'm not that open. If you ask me, will I marry one of the cabaret dancers of this documentary? My answer will be no. Because I have my insecurities, I have my possessiveness, I have my jealousy and everything. So I understand why the society is almost the same, even though we have moved ahead in 40 years. अभी आपको बहुत पका लिया. Now it's time to पकाओ the chicken in the kitchen. Before that, I need to get few things for that recipe. I don't have it. Basic things I don't have it. I have to go and get, and I don't know if the shops will be open because it's almost 2 o'clock and it's a Sunday, so I don't know how the scene is. That 100 rupees raincoat is so good. I mean, not even a drop of water got through it. I'm completely dry and it is a miracle for me. Yeah, the shop was closed. Apparently due to heavy rains they closed it, or maybe it is Sunday. So we didn't get what we wanted to make the chicken. So now this is my lunch for the day. Cucumber and masala potato. Done with the film. The time is almost 6 p.m. Our chicken is waiting. Back from shopping, and these are the things I bought. Mainly I wanted coriander and tomato and ginger garlic paste. The rest are just why not. So yeah, that's my shopping. Okay, let's make the chicken recipe. First place the cooker on the stove, then put your chicken inside. Please make sure to use pieces which have little fat because we won't be using oil in this. Next comes the potato, then the onions, then the tomatoes, then the strands of kothmir, coriander, then crushed garlic. I just had a few. You can put more. You can also remove the chilka, the cover if you want. Then comes green chili and black pepper. And you can use ginger, but I'm using ginger garlic paste. And then you have salt. And then pour some water. Do not put more water because this is the gravy. So if you want it thick, let it be. Mix it a little. Close the cooker. So this is how the final output looks. I've just taken a little in the plate to taste. Really very happy that this has come out good. You can also try it. It's very easy. It just you just need to put everything in the cooker and cook it. That's it. In the end you have the final product.
Yesterday I've taken so many videos that it's getting a little hectic editing it. It's almost 11 now, and I'm just done halfway through the video, and I'm feeling very sleepy. I'm a little tired. I'm like falling asleep since like 1 hour. But I was pushing myself, but apparently I don't think I can do anymore. So I think that will be it for today. I thought it will be a easy Sunday, lazy Sunday, but apparently I ended up working and doing a lot of things. I still have to edit this, and I think I'll get up early in the morning and do it because I'm very tired now. And yeah, I'm gonna sleep.